So this is a free $100,000 account, and if you are to pay for this account, you'll be paying $595, but you are being offered the free opportunity to claim it absolutely for free. And there is a limited time to claim this account, so after watching this video, head straight to claim the bonus. And I'll be dropping a link in the description, and also I'll be pinning it in the comment section so you can easily claim it. And make sure you watch the video toward the end of the video so you don't get lost while trying to figure it out yourself. And as you all know, the regular details that you are going to be doing is fill in your details. That's just your name, your email address, which you'll be clicking on registered as you've seen above the screen to you. So when you click on the registered, after you fill in your details, you would have to click on the send code that you can see currently on the screen now. When you click on the send code, you will be sent a unique code to your email. It is that code that you'll be inputting on this verification code page. After you input it there, you input your password, your unique password that you'll be trading with, and then you click on join now. And immediately you click on join now, you'll be logged in into the dashboard. It is this dashboard that will be showing you all the remaining little steps that you need to put in place so you can secure this account easily. You see these three vertical lines that is showing upward. You would have to click on it. So, and when you click on this account, you'll be brought to the next page, which is showing on the screen, and it shows personal center. This personal center that shows first after the language, you click on it. After you click on this personal center, you also see this my account as I have shown you here. So you also click on this my account again, and when you are brought to the next section which shows you don't have any account, apply now. So you have to click on the apply now beside the you don't have an account. After you click on apply now, you'll be brought to a wider screen just like the dashboard, but it's quite different. And on this wider screen, you'll be seeing two accounts that is being offered for free. The first is an 100k account, and the second one is the 30k account. So I would urge you to go for the 100k account because it gives you more chances and more space to trade. And with this account, you'll be trading more of crypto. Yes, you'll be trading more of crypto with this account. And for the logging in section, you are not going to be logging in your details to MT4 or MT5. This platform has their unique website where you'll be logging in and you'll be trading with. It will be sent to your email address. And for the profit limit, the daily maximum loss is 5%, and the profit limit for each stage is 2%. I used to say to get the 100k account successfully, you need to pass the 100k first and the second. And if you know you are new, don't forget to like so we can go together as a community of like-minded traders. And this is the platform that you'll be logging in, and immediately you come here, you might see some Chinese written all around it that might disrupt your trading distance. All you just have to do is click on the screen beside you if you are using Chrome, and then click on auto translate, which will translate the language. Remember that I said it earlier that you will be sent your details to your email, different from the code that was sent to verify your address while registering. You'll be sent another code after you click on apply for the account. It is that details that you'll be using to log into this account, and immediately you log in to the account, you would see the $100,000 in the account, and you can start trading immediately. And for this question, I've addressed it earlier, which talked about the trading platform has their own unique trading portal where you'll be trading with it. And for these two that I've talked about, that you'll be sent your details into your email account. And for those that ask that how many times can they withdraw a month, you can withdraw at any time of the month. You are free to withdraw at any time of the month. as long as you make profit, and the profit will be shared in the ratio 5:5. That is a 50-50 between you and the broker offering this account.